Hi, Anoop Parikh with Pangea Charging. Sorry to be so stiff, just enjoying the skyline from one of Houston's best viewpoints. Taking a moment here to express gratitude for a wonderful year as the sun sets on 2022. It was a very eventful year and hard to believe the spectrum of emotions traveled in just 12 months as a small business owner. Thanks to our wonderful clients, business partners, contractors, friends, family members, and even acquaintances, we were able to achieve some worthwhile highlights. This includes growing the business beyond Texas and North Carolina into 3 additional markets: California, Maryland, and Florida. Pangea Charging brought many communities their first EV chargers this year and allowed more people to confidently choose driving electric. I felt honored to be a part of and speak at 4 industry events as a thought leader and form lots of new relationships with folks just as enthusiastic about the future of electrification. I'm feeling optimistic about 2023. It will be a year where we partner with additional manufacturers and suppliers, bring new business models to our clients, and grow our footprint right here in our backyard of Houston. It's never lost on me how blessed I am to do what I love and be able to bring the change I want to see in the world. I'm so incredibly appreciative of all the love and support I receive from my network, both professionally and personally. A massive thank you to so many of you who are making introductions and providing client referrals. As a small business owner, there's no better gift or gesture. Please keep them coming. We've got a very ambitious goal for next year: 1,000 ports. Wishing all of you a healthy and abundant 2023. Happy New Year from all of us at Pangea Charging.